Hey YouTubers, in the shop again today. Thought I'd show you how to make a drum sander for your lathe. Drum sander attachment. You can make any size abrasive sleeve, make you a jig for them to slip them on, and you can do all kind of jobs. And like this one here I'm going to do today. And so I thought I'd show you how to do one of these. You can, they're great just to slap on your lathe, and you can do multi-sanding jobs, all kinds of jobs. Anyway, that's what we'll do next. Okay, just take you a couple scrap boards. For this one, since this sleeve is this big, I put a couple 4.5 by 4.5 on here. And I've just started turning it down here, got this where to slip on. So we're going to take it on down a little. So now you want this to be loose enough where you can slide your sleeve on, but be tight enough to tap it on up here, and you'll get a good hold. So we'll check her size here. Okay, here we go. I cut it a little higher on this side to where when it slid up there you can get it on and off easy. And for now I was going to show you, just take a little hot glue in these gaps here. Run you a little into there. And that'll fill those places up for you. Okay guys, so what it comes down to is you can turn you a cylinder for any kind of these abrasive sleeves, any size that you like. And you can do so much more with these than the heel of a belt sander. And you can do projects like this. This is one of my twisted sticks, walking sticks. You can do multi-wood. I'll have to do a video on these one day. They're awful neat. And you can go around. Here's a little box I made, an oval box. When I was sanding it, you can just go right around that baby and go. You can make these with, you can slip a different size sleeve on it, not size, but you can slip a finer grade, and it just makes it where you can go from coarse or extra coarse down to extra fine if you want to. Okay guys, and like I say, you got variable speed on this thing, which makes it fantastic. You're not going to burn your project just because it's a certain kind of hard wood or anything. But anyway, I'm going to flip this vacuum on, and I'll show you a couple things to do. Okay guys, as you can see, this thing's a little terror. It will flat do some shaping for you. You can even get down to fine sanding. It's just a great little thing to slap on your lathe. And like I say, you can do them down to the small ones. And your angle of attack can be from a lot of angles that a lot of other sanders won't give you. So anyway, I hope you like this little video. Get you one of these little erasers. Your belts will last 20 times longer, and just have fun in your wood turning, and be safe. And Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, YouTubers.